Minista wa URIMI na NTHIGURENE Franklin MITHIKA Linturi maruthite ndiunga nthini ya Israel nikiri itagaria ria kurimeria ngwataniro na GUCUA ONJORITHIA nikenda kuringa NJEKI rwangi rwa URIMI akiaria ari ntere cia Tel Aviv. Linturi na ugite ari na wirigiro akaumbana nikenda kuona ngwataniro kumakiri ene kambuni cia batanthini inu na kumbithia mibango ya kuguna murimi na kinyagia arithi mandethia.
I think we've had a very interesting time in this farm, In farm, where we've been able to visit the owner of this particular farm, who is keeping 1,100 cows that is milking and 1,000 heifers. It is interesting because just like we've said before, that with advancement in technology and technological transfer, there is so much that we can do in our country. It is interesting to find that the average production of 1 liter of 1 cow here in In farm is to the tune of 42 liters of milk every day. So with this kind of farm and having learned quite a lot from this farmer, there is something that I think when we get back to our country, we will be able to share with our farmers. We will be able to continue keeping in touch with the owners of this particular farm, so that whatever we want to do, how to change the genetics of our animals for maximum productivity is something that this team is willing to really give us support in, and I am very proud and very happy to have visited this particular farm, because it has given me a complete and different way of thinking on how animals or how dairy cattle, how dairy farming should be. And I want to thank you, Mr. In farm, for such ramming offer for such great achievement, and I want to wish you well. The farm that we were also able to visit here in Kenya, in Israel, is a farm that is Netafim. It's Netafim that are specialists in irrigation farming, and they are very specific in their amount of irrigation. Their irrigation system is precise. It's such a great experience to be here in Israel, to learn on how we can be able to work together, how we can be able to partner together, because the area that we are here is completely arid. This is even worse than Turkana, is worse than Marsabit, and I'm sure with the kind of exchange of information and technology and ideas, I think we can be able to change our country and all those areas.